You've been using the hole saw wrong your entire life. Don't worry, I did too. You thought it was only good for perfect circles? Cute. Turns out this one-trick pony actually has another surprising talent, cutting half-moon shapes on wooden corners. Shocking, right? Of course, if you just slap it on the edge, it'll dance around and scratch everything like a toddler with crayons. That's why you need a small adjustment to make it work. Curious? Stick around and see how this tool suddenly becomes more versatile than you ever imagined.